Hello everyone, welcome to Akanksha Charitable Trust YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to use Teachmint app for NMMS classes. Firstly, we have to download the Teachmint app from the Play Store. After the app is installed, you can see it on the home screen or on your app driver. Open the app and type your phone number and hit next. An OTP is sent to your phone number. Type the OTP here and submit OTP. Then it will ask if you are a student or a teacher. You have to select student. Then type your name and username in capital letters. Now you have to type 140-788-5175 as classroom ID. After you are accepted into the class, you have to click notice board. You can see two links here. The first is a link for a YouTube video. The second one is a link for Google form. You have to fill up the form. Select the district name out of the drop-down menu. If your district doesn't appear, select others. Then you have to type your name using capital letters. Then select if you are writing NMMS exam this year or not. Then you have to select your medium. Then type your taluk using capital letters only. Type your WhatsApp number here. Enter your phone number again. Now you can answer these questions. After you attempt this quiz, hit submit. The first link provided here gives you the answer of all the questions. If you have any doubts, use chat section to ask your doubts. Thank you for watching.